Oh yeah, wait, oh yeah. You low. Ah, you low.
What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Let's Prop In. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is BSB. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most extraordinary properties around the world. Today, we have a special episode as we are in Palm Jumeirah showcasing the 6-bedroom villa. Under the roof, we're looking over 800 square meters, currently listed for just under 70 million rand. We'll put all the conversions on the screen for all our international friends. We're excited for this one because of the level of craftsmanship, the execution, the choice of materiality is extraordinary. Before we get into this tour, massive thanks to our friend Monzi, the listing agent, for giving us access to showcase his stunning listing with you guys. We'll put all the details down in the description. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we're excited and let's prop in.
When I first came here, I was obviously a little bit naive to how Dubai actually operates. You know, like I didn't know what makes Dubai tick. You know, you're just coming here as a South African trying to explore the opportunities that's presented by Dubai. And the more I moved around Dubai, the more I understood that, okay, this place really focuses on mobility and getting better and better. So what's changed since I got here to right now is literally infrastructure. I'm talking about new buildings coming up, new high-rises, roads being reconstructed just to accommodate the traffic that's happening in Dubai. So in the game of real estate, you travel so much that you start to see these changes happening literally overnight. I wish I was lying, but it's literally overnight. You leave the city for 2 days, come back, there's a whole new highway that's been built. So that's what happens.
Right, starting the tour on the external facade and the entryway of this incredible villa. As I mentioned, we're currently at Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. As you guys start to approach this incredible home, you're exposed to different choices of materiality. When combined, they create such a balance. We have stone, we have travertine, we have wooden finish, we have glass, we have steel all together, as well as greenery to give you that timeless feel. All together create such a cohesive space. Now, as you drive in, you have a 2-car parking garage cladded with this beautiful marble. I love the fact that the car garage, or the door rather, is so seamless. It looks as though it is one finish in terms of a marble finish, and then we have greenery hedging the entire top of this finish. To my left, we have greenery, beautiful zen moment here. We have this marble finish, lighting, emphasizing this large tree that we have at the entryway. And as we approach the entryway of this home, we have a large pivot door. It is an electric door. With a simple press of a button, you are able to access the internal space of this area. Now, as we take everyone to the internal area, and you're greeted by this foyer area, we're greeted by plenty of natural elements such as stone. As we look up, we have this high double volume ceiling, glass at the top that actually is a water feature, believe it or not. Suspended light pendants here with this artistic pattern with a little bit of golden tint, just to give this area a luxurious mood. And as we bring everyone to the main area, some of the spaces will focus more details on, such as this open staircase. We have this open riser, beautiful connection giving you this floating effect. And as we take everyone to the main area, the great room, your eye is automatically drawn to the horizon. So the way in which the property is situated is that in the backyard, you have direct access to the beach from the pool. At some angles, you start to see the water almost merge with the water in the background. Showing you guys the kitchen, we have the seamless countertop, marble finish with this leathered topping, waterfall edge to the end. Then as we bring you guys here now and we pan downstairs, this is a wine cellar below us. It's incredible that this is open, see-through, and you're walking every day here. And behind you guys, we have a elevator taking you through all the floors. This home is spread across the basement level, the ground floor, the bedroom quarters, as well as the rooftop level. Now, as we further go into the main area, travertine finished open shelves, LED lighting emphasizing the vignette finishes that we have inside, LED lighting within the bulkhead design. We also have suspended ceilings right there. To my left, formal dining area, and as we pan up, we have this incredible, almost artistic light pendant suspended from the ceiling. In front of me, we find the lounge area and a detail which I just want to point out to you guys. Firstly, floor to ceiling sliding doors, LED lighting, beautiful travertine style wrapping this entire wall finish. But to finish everything off, gas fireplace and large marble insert just to finish this entire assembly off. Now, just to take everyone outside, just to show you guys the positioning and what makes this home so incredible in terms of just the position and the orientation. So as I mentioned, we're on one of the prongs on Palm Jumeirah. Entertainment area, pool with this glass paneling, just so you can see the pool water. When you are on the beach, you are able to easily access that. To my left, lounges, and then a special feature here, you have a pop-up TV. So when you have friends and family over, you guys are seated around the fireplace and you are able to have a great time by having your favorite show in front of you. That was it for the first floor. Now join me upstairs as we see some of the bedrooms.
So we are currently on a man-made island called Palm Jumeirah. This is the second biggest man-made island in Dubai. The first one is actually completed. Villas are being constructed over there, which is called Palm Jebel Ali. So where we are right now, we are on front G. So this man-made island is literally made of a palm tree. Literally, it's made of a palm tree. So all you're seeing are fronds. All right. So they made the fronds villa communities, and the villa that we're at right now is on front G. And of course, all villas that are on the fronts have beach access. So if you're looking outside, you're obviously going to be seeing the nice shimmering blue waters. And Palm Jumeirah was completed in 2016. So it has been a project that has been ongoing for about 6-7 years. And Dubai actually pulled it off. And this is what Dubai specializes in, being the first and being the best to do anything and everything. So this is where we are right now. So this Palm Jumeirah is seen as a millionaire's dream. You know, millionaires, when they move to Dubai, the first place they want to come to is Palm, because that's the big buzz about it. And it offers a lot of privacy, a lot of security, and of course, exclusivity as well.
Now coming up these staircases and arriving at the landing, before we arrive, look at this beautiful detail here with the side railing almost carved into the travertine, and then an LED insert was inserted just to emphasize the detailing, and the amount of work that went into smoothing and finishing this off is incredible. So arriving at the first bedroom, we do have a guest bedroom downstairs. Arriving at the first bedroom, and your eye is immediately drawn to the horizon, where we see the water in the background. Floor to ceiling glass panels, you are able to open it up and you are able to access the balcony, and then this bed is finished off with this large marble piece. LED lighting throughout just to emphasize the detailing. Beautiful travertine tile finishing off this entire area. Cleverly concealed aircon duct above us just to give you that seamless look that you get with high-end homes like this. Ultra modern, and then cabinetry space with the sleek finish. As we look up again, cleverly concealed duct. What they try to do with this home is also to bring the indoor outdoors and the outdoors indoors. In the rooms, some of the rooms, you are able to look at nature. They're currently planting these trees and lining this entire area with trees, so you are able to access that while you are sleeping visually. Bathroom to my left, but we'll focus on more of the details of the bathrooms in the main bedroom. As I mentioned, lift taking you from the ground floor all the way to the top. We find the pajama lounge there with open shelves, floating vanity or floating cabinetry piece there, the entire TV setup. As you look above us, surround sounds throughout the entire home, slightly suspended ceiling with a bulkhead design that gives you access to that LED lighting. Second room, similar finishes in terms of materiality choice in this room. Again, this large marble piece backed off with this incredible travertine tile. And as you look above, cove lighting throughout, suspended acrobatic light pendant, and then in front of me here we have a little bit of a makeup station, homework station. Walk-in closet with this beautiful seamless countertop or panel finish, just not taking too much attention from your eye. And now as we bring everyone to this incredible bathroom. Minimalist in design, we have this large marble finish to the basin and vanity design, and this is just a sleek and neat outlet that the water just gently slides down. It's not obtrusive on the eye. You don't have this big outlet that almost collects dirt, but you have this very seamless seam there, just allowing the water to channel down there. Matte black finishes to the sandware, and then we have this very artistic and creative mirror suspended from the ceiling. Now back to the landing and off to the other side or across the bridge. As we walk across, you guys can beautifully see the downstairs area and the ground floor area. And now that the sun has set, the light fixtures are starting to come alive. I mentioned these suspended artistic and art installations in the beginning, but as we enter the second bedroom, 6 bedrooms as I've mentioned. In this bedroom here, very private, you have this corner glass member meeting here, allowing you to take advantage of views from both sides, and you also have your own massage bed. Now this could be an area where you spend hours on.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day bed. Probably watched too many YouTube videos on here.
Yeah, you can read a book, watch YouTube videos, play on your phone, all there to do. Floating media set here, floating cabinetry piece here, large artwork, LED lighting, and then to my right we have the bed. This bed is beautifully designed. Behind it, in terms of the travertine finish, you have this LED lighting. Some pieces are recessed, some pieces are flush, and it creates an entire design piece without actually using a large headboard. Now, walk-in closet to my right, and finally into this bathroom. This bathroom feels, it feels as though you've carved out this entire bathroom from stone. From the marble vanity design, LED lighting, wooden finishes to the cabinetry below us, mirror in front of me, frosted glass around just to give you a sense of privacy, but still allowing that natural lighting to flow inside. And then this bath feels as though it was chopped into this large stone piece. Above, as you look, I'm not sure if the camera can do this justice, but with the naked eye, it looks as though it is open, but you do have glass opening, or you have a glass covering the top as well as the side profile of this entire assembly. At night you can shower and look above and just see the sky. That's just an incredible feature and amenity to have in your bathroom. Before we get to the main bedroom, here's the final bedroom on this floor. Now, as I've mentioned, trying to bring the natural elements of the outdoor area into the internal space to give you that timeless feel internally. We have this floor to ceiling glass and the trees in touching distance. As you would be in the bathroom, using the shower, using the vanity, the basin, you can simply look in front of you and be able to touch the trees outdoor, and just bringing that inside is incredible. You are able to open up the sliding door so that there's a slight passive breeze into the indoor area. In front of you guys, circular bed setup, again with this beautiful travertine design to the back of the bed. You have this recessed bit, you have the flush bit, and then the LED lighting. What the LED lighting also, it emphasizes the detail of the stone, so you can see some of the character, the chips, the lining, the veins of the stone. In front of us here, we have floor to ceiling glass just to bring you that natural lighting. And now off to the main bedroom. Now the main bedroom is occupying this entire floor at the top. As you can see, in terms of the scale of the travertine that was used here, from the ground floor all the way to the top, and then we have this beautiful detail creating this top rail, and then the LED lighting emphasizing all the details here. Now arriving at the main bedroom area, obviously, as I've mentioned, you are able to access the main bedroom with the lift. And arriving here, you are in your own sanctuary. The main bedroom, the views from here are, it's hard to put into words the type, the atmosphere, the amount of light that comes in here during the day. And as you can see, the sun is set, it's completely dark outside, but you are able to see this entire landscape. Some of the best homes around, you are able to see that. You can see the Atlantis to the far left. It's just incredible. The scale of this bedroom is impressive. You are able to have a lounge area as well as a TV setup in front of us there. This is a pop-up TV, so you are able to also just drown it out so you don't have any distractions. Bed to my right, but as you guys follow me down this passage, it feels as though you are completely leaving this earth. You're going to a different planet. To my right, cabinetry set up throughout, tinted mirror, and what it does give you that illusion of space, but also increases that luxurious feel in this entire setup. Lighting above us, but not too harsh of lighting, just dim lighting and leading you down this passage. To my right, glass floor to ceiling, allowing you again to be able to connect visually with the nature outside. To my right, we have a floating vanity and basin design, again with the minimalist approach to this marble, how you have this seamless outlet where the water can simply gently slide into there. Guessy sandware, matte black, large mirror in front of us with this lighting, and then to my left, walk-in shower. This walk-in shower is completely open from a visual perspective. Only thing hedging this entire area is the glass from here. You can see the lights dancing. It's an experience on its own going to take a shower. Now, if you don't want to have a shower for that day, you can simply head outside for an outdoor bath. You also have, adjacent to the outdoor standalone bathtub, you also have an outdoor shower. But in front of us, this is the water feature that I was speaking about. You have a body of water outside here, LED lighting to increase that ambience upstairs. From here, you have some views of the surrounding architecture, and that was it for the main bedroom. We've gone through this home in a very seamless manner, just to show you guys what this home has to offer. Obviously, more details will be down in the description. If you made this far, thank you so much. And before we head off here, massive thanks to the listing agent, Monzi, for giving us access to this incredible villa. We'll leave all the details down in the description. From us at Let's Prop In, to you guys, we'll see you on the next one. Take care.